Hello!
Welcome to our kitchen!
What time is it?
It's pizza time!
To prepare this experiment, we'll need flour, butter, yeast, sugar, a cup of water. For the topping, oregano, tomato paste, salami, mozzarella and cheese, mushrooms, Arduino Uno, Boeing 737 Series 300 display 1 to 200. Peter, do we need something else? Oh yes. Salt.
Firstly, add 20 grams of yeast into the pot and then 1 spoon of sugar. Then mix it thoroughly.
Okay.
Now leave it for some time.
Now, add a pinch of salt. I said pinch. Now add a cup of flour. Now add second cup. Add a cup of warm water. Knead it together.
Now we will have to melt some butter. It is ready. Let's add it and knead it again. Now chop mozzarella into strips. Now we'll have to peel the mushrooms. And now we'll have to chop it. Done.
Heat up the oven to about 400 Fahrenheit. I'm going to the toilet.
It's time to cook the pizza my way. So first, let's add more salt because a pinch of salt is a joke. Then, Nikolai has forgotten about this. And it's time for cooking! Apparently it isn't the best way of cooking pizza, I suppose.
Indeed, Pietro. You have just forgotten all of the ingredients. And today we are cooking it in oven.
You meant baking, yes? We are baking it, not roasting.
No.
Now spread the dough on baking tray. Having done all of this, it's now time to start with the topping. Firstly, we'll spread some tomato sauce on the dough. Voila!
Now add some Gouda, salami and mozzarella. Heat up pan with butter. Now we're gonna stir fry our mushrooms. Put them on the heated pan with butter. Remember kids, there are no jokes with hot fat. Stay safe.
Later.
And now spread them on the pizza.
I'll be right back.
It's time to cook it again.
Bake it. We're baking it, Peter.
Oh, come on. What's the difference?
The difference is tremendous. I will stop you right there. I knew you were gonna destroy our pizza!
Oh, stop! I said I'm sorry, okay?
Baking pizza takes 20 minutes.
So let's check if the pizza is ready. No, it isn't.
Twenty minutes later.
It is done.
Enjoy. What do you think?
It's delicious. It's the best pizza I've ever had.
Enjoy your pizza. What do you think?
It's simply delicious. It's the best pizza I've ever had.
I'm so glad that you like it.
Mikołaj,
Yes?
where does this smoke come from?
What?
I would like to address that pizza making process was fun for both of us and we have enjoyed it. We learned a lot from it. I especially liked the part when I wasn't totally being hit with a broom. Please help me!